Guys, welcome back. Let's fix masking tape. I'm using 300 GSM paper, which is apt for watercolor and oil pastels, and I love this. It's kind of bold. I use white oil pastel to mark the areas where I need the bouquet background. So I have decided what are the colors I need as my background, and Antwerp blue, then Persian blue, two different shades I'm going to use. I'm I need a kind of blue green in my background. I started loving these oil pastels and drawing with oil pastel. It makes me feel good and happy every time I wait for the result. Now I'm using emerald green, and as I told you, I need blue and green in the background. Every time I decide what is my background and what is my main picture is, I'm going to draw a flower, magnolia flower. So I need that to be in dark purple, and my background is going to be a colorful one. And I'm using this gray rose and gray green, white and light yellow as bouquets. You don't believe this. I love this gray rose and gray green colors. I don't know why. I feel like I need to add these two colors in all my paintings. Like, I cannot omit it. Now I'm blending with a swap. I just enjoy doing it. Now I'm drawing the branches using dark brown, light brown and little black to highlight. So far you have seen just the trailer. Now we are going to see the main picture. So this is going to be the center of attraction. I'm drawing the flower, and it's going to be in purple, different shades of purple, light purple, kind of violet, sorry. Light violet, violet, dark violet, Persian blue. I'm trying to use this to give shade and light. And really, I don't know how this is going to come up, but I'm going to try. I believe painting or drawing is just fun, and it gives happiness. And I try to get that. I try to do it to get happiness. I'm not worried too much about perfection. I'm not too much uh, worried about real painting. I don't know how this is going to end up. Maybe this seems to be kids drawing at the end, but anyhow, I'm just enjoying this because I love colors. I want my painting to be more colorful and more attractive because I love to do this. So this is how my flower is a little more. I made little green. I used little green yellow to the center of the flower. I'm making the buds of it, and it's with the same texture and the color. Even it's more radiant. See, this is what I planned actually. My background with the kind of blue and green, like aqua touch, and my flowers are going to be in purple, and stems are in dark brown and with a touch of black. I hope you also love this and you enjoy watching my videos. If you really like my work on painting and drawing, please don't forget to subscribe. You can support me through, you know, commenting, liking my videos, and you can suggest me also. Yeah, see, my leaves are with apple kind of, what to say, kind of green, like sap green, uh, dark and light green, uh, leaf green. I use an ordinary pencil to highlight and make the fine lines visible. Even I need to work on some more branches. I'm just giving a touch to the end lines. Subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you'll get my notification whenever I post a new videos. You can watch it. And this is really wonderful, and using black to make some more twigs and small branches. And later I use a small pencil, the same pencil to make the edges fine lines, to make the small twists and turns and make some corrections. And if you like my channel, please subscribe and give a thumbs up. Thank you for watching, and I'm done with my painting today. I hope you enjoyed this, you like it. I'll meet you on another video with another beautiful colorful painting. Until then, bye bye, take care.